Elise Comedy. Oh, gang. As you see the title below, today I'll be unboxing. I'm unboxing a shoe. I have never did it on my channel, but today is a new thing on my channel. Right here. It's box right here. I got the off-white sale 4s, Jordan 4s. You already know I don't have any 4s in my collection. I hope they look good on my feet because I like Jordan 1s, but this is, something new right here. I'm gonna show you the box. I'm gonna show you everything. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video. Please smash the motherfucking like button, subscribe to the channel because Elise Comedy is going to the top. I almost showed my address for the 50th time. Stay over there. Follow me on my social medias. Let's get this motherfucking lit ass video started. Y'all know I don't know how to open boxes correctly. And I know this came with a nice ass box, so I do not want to mess that up. It's a package inside a package. Don't you hate that shit? I know I do. God damn. At least they got it nice then. I almost fucking stabbed myself. Why am I doing this? I am so sorry. I'm not good at opening packages. As y'all seen from my other last videos, I just be ripping shit open. That's because I don't want to mess this up. God damn, bitch. How much fucking paper is on here? Yeah. Alright. Time to open it. I don't know which way it is, so hopefully I don't mess this shit up. We're gonna go this way. Ah, bitch. We're gonna go sideways. How about that? Then we're gonna go like this. Oh, we got the box. Okay. It's a little dusty, motherfucker. Got the box. I'm gonna take out the box. It was in that whole pressure, man. That whole pressure, man. So it was in the box, and it was like pushing it a lot. So this is the box. This is the circles. Circles is pretty dope. It's a little dusty. It was in the goddamn. This is the other side of the box. And you have this way. And you have my size. This little thing. My little size right there. Alright, man. Let's open this motherfucker up. Gonna open it, shake it a little bit. Oh. Damn. I ain't even taking it off yet. Oh my goodness. Came with the other laces. So you got these. You got the front of the shoe. I mean, this shit fire, no cap to you, man. I'm just surprised. I'm shook. This is the top of it. It's that thing inside. Those are the laces. I don't think I'm gonna change the laces because it's so nice. I'm not gonna change the laces. I'm not changing the laces, man. That shit fire, man. My long ass cat nail. You got the thing that go on the side, the off-white. I'm not changing the laces. This is nice, man. Perfectly formed. Smell fresh out the motherfucking building, man. You know what's going on, man. Man, if you're a sneakerhead, I recommend these 100%. This was a good cost. I mean, it was a lot. It was a lot, man. It was a lot, but hey, man, see, man, we got them. Now I'm finna show them on my feet. looking feet. I don't know what it is about them, man. But days are here. Days are sexy, man. Like, I don't know. You can get a lot of outfits with these, to be honest. Have to have this in your sneaker collection. Like, just look at that, man. It's a sale color, so I feel like it's like a creamish. You can go with anything, to be honest. Got the Jordan Air sign, got the off-white, and just off-white in general has been popping. Like the new off-white clothes, just off-white is just an amazing, you know, line, and I just feel like they're doing amazing things, and I had to get these in my collection so I could rock all the rest of his off-white stuff, because I have an off-white jumpsuit and I feel like this will look bomb with them. Came with, like I told you, colors. Got the goddamn, it looks perfectly fine to me. Material, soft, silky, got the air, got the goddamn, where's the shit, writing right here like it always does. It's the same stitching for same things, just like his other shoes I have. It's the same thing for same. So I'm happy they keep everything original. They keep the air, they keep the shoelaces, they keep, you know, the inside of the thing going on. They keep the shoelaces the same. They just different colors, but like I mean like the same thing, like as like it's a different shoe and a different color, but they never made a 4 off-white, so I thought that was pretty interesting. And I don't have any 4s in my collection, so I thought this was cool to cop, because I don't have any and I needed some. Because like, who wouldn't want to get these? Who wouldn't want to have this in their collection? Like I said before, it's authentic. It's a good shoe to cop if you are a sneakerhead. And this is like I don't know, it's originally a women's shoe, so you know, it's beautiful. Like who wouldn't want this in their collection? Like, man, I was so blessed to get this in like my hands, to be able to even purchase this. So I just want to thank everyone, you know, just like God, like you, shit, this was amazing. I'm very blessed to even have this in my collection. Off-White is an amazing brand, and if you don't have any of his things, it's a black man who is the founder, and I guess the man who made Off-White what it is today, and it's amazing. I have most of his things. I have his jackets, I have his clothes. Jackets are clothes. Yeah, anyways, I have his clothes, and now I have his other shoe, and I just want to thank God, because this is an amazing experience. Came in great packaging, like I said. It was a great experience. Even getting this, I don't feel like you have to have it in collection if you are a sneakerhead, because like I mean, these shoes are overly kind of expensive for some people. They can't afford it, but you know, retail, people should be getting them and repurchasing them online. But I just mean, like, you don't have to have every shoe that everybody has or every shoe that comes out. Be your own way, get your own style, like do your own thing. Like I didn't have to get these, but I wanted these just purposely because of my style and who I am. I just feel like some people, they just get shoes to just, you know, copy others. And you know, don't be like that, baby. Be yourself. Streetwear is the way, man. Like this is gonna be some bomb ass outfits with these motherfucking shoes. I can't wait to drop some pictures on Instagram, so make sure you motherfucking follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. It's all in the description below. Like, come on, man, you wouldn't want to miss it. If you have any questions or any concerns about anything, please don't hesitate to DM me on any of my social medias, or leave a comment if you have anything. But yeah, I hope this made you excited for me, or just happy to support another black person personally for myself. It's an amazing experience. But I hope you like this unboxing. I can do some more. I know it's not like very entertaining or whatever, but I tried my best to make it as much as entertaining as I could be. But yeah, this was a great purchase. They fit perfectly. They weren't too big, weren't too snug. You can go with a lot of outfits, so yeah, stay tuned for that, man. Remember, peace, love, comedy. I'm out this bitch.